Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And today we are talking about a massive opportunity, the Google Cloud Gen AI Academy APAC Edition 2026, which is powered by Google Cloud and Hack to Skill. So here we'll cover all the details about the Gen AI Academy APAC Edition 2026, how to participate, what is the criteria, what is cohort system, and how you'll be getting the swags and goodies. So all things will be covered in detail. Make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, also hype the video too. Now coming over here, this is the home page. Now you need to understand who can take part in it. If you are located in the region APAC, means Asia Pacific, whether you are from India, whether you are from Australia or Japan, you must be located in APAC region. You must be 18 plus. You can take part in this event. Whether you are a student, working developer or startup founder, you can take part in it without any restriction. Also, some important things, you don't have to pay a single dollar, rupee for just registration. Now here, who can participate, I have already covered. Now, what is the benefit of joining this program? You're getting free access to the Google Cloud, Codelabs, and free of cost credits to complete the labs and learn about the AI and multiple hands-on experiment free of cost. Hands-on training means apart from the bookish training, you'll be just gaining hands-on trainings means you'll be working on the live environment, right? After that, you'll be getting mentorship and networking. You'll be learning from the tech giants who are already working in different companies, including Google Cloud itself. You can see, and you'll be getting some practice sessions over there. They'll be just helping you to learn and they'll be helping you to just build your prototypes and projects, and basically it's a guiding session, and you'll be networking with the top tech giants and like minds. Okay, here you'll be getting cool certificates which you can add on your resume. Cash rewards $10,000 per cohort. There are 3 cohort you must have seen, and you'll be getting a graduation certificate and cool exclusive goodies. Now after that, you'll be getting a chance to showcase whatever you have built, and you'll be getting a swags based on that. Also, you'll be getting a chance to participate in the hackathon also and be a part of a Gen AI Elite Club. Now let's see the timeline. So currently cohort 1 that is live from January and will be ending on April, and after that from April to June there will be cohort 2, cohort 3 similarly in July and September, and final October and December there will be grand hackathon. So now in cohort 1 they are giving us the chance to just workshops, code labs, and Google skills, which is completely optional. There you have to complete the labs. Will come for that also. Do not worry. There will be some MCQ assessments, which will be just designing to help you learn whatever you have learned. You can just test your skills. There will be some cool project submissions, and after that there will be cohort hackathon. All things will be covered in detail. Do not worry about it. So here, as a participant, your journey is to just register and choose your track, attend workshops, and you'll be getting a chance to participate in hackathon and MCQ assessment. All things you have completed, then you'll be getting the cool rewards, including the cash prizes, certificates, goodies, graduation ceremony, and a chance to be a part of alumni network. So if you come over here to the cohort 2, let me just come above. So objectives are not announced for the cohort 2 and 3. Okay, so whatever you have learned in cohort 1, 2, 3, you have to apply in the uh, grand hackathon. Okay, so they'll be just filtering all the participants. They'll be hackathons and they'll be filtering all the top people, and they could participate in the grand hackathon. Okay, so what you have to do, how to register in this event, you have to simply click on register over here, and you can simply register with Gmail and Gmail or GitHub, or you can just use a traditional method of email and password. So just click on this and it will just fetch the Gmail account. Now here we are in the main dashboard. So once you have successfully registered, if you have to create the Cloud Skills Boost account also. Now how to create, it's very simple. So this is the website, that is skills.google. You have to simply click on join over here and create account with Google, or if you want to add your user email or password, use the traditional method, and you have to enter your date of birth. The date of birth should be 18 plus, and you can simply create account. So I already have account, so I'm just signing in. So once you click on sign in, you'll be redirected to the main page. The first thing what you need to do, you need to go to the settings and just click on make profile public and update the settings. Now once you have done, you are ready. Now just right click over here, come over here, and here you have to just share your profile skills boost. So how to do it? Go to forms tab. Here you have to paste the profile skills. Okay, and here you have to add the same email with which you have registered and simply click on submit over here, right? Once you are done, you are ready. Now for completing all these labs, you can see 3 tracks are there. So it's completely optional whether you want to complete or not. But if you want, you'll be learning new things free of cost. So these are the labs, right? You can see these are the labs. So for completing the labs, you need credits, right? So how to get the credits? It's very simple. You have to come to the form section. Okay, form sections there is no. So let me just see skills patch lab submissions and in the roadmap only. So for getting the credits, what you need to do, you have to simply submit. We have already covered this thing, I think so. Yes. So here in the forms tab, we have to check how to get the credits. So yes, we have shared the profile. After 24 hours, you'll be getting the credits. So once you get the credits, you have to complete the labs listed over here. If you want for practice purpose, for the solutions, you can see I have attached the playlist. All the lab solutions are there. Most of the participants have already completed. So you can just complete it. Also, I have created a separate video for getting the credits also. And for submissions also, I have made a video. So you can watch the submission video also. I'll add in the playlist how to do the submission, but I'm showing a rough demo over here how to do it. Now here most of you are facing issue on completing the MCQs. So these MCQs are optional. It won't impact your progress. So one important thing most of people are asking that I'm unable to access these MCQs in the form section. So actually it was live around 4 p.m. So you can check again in 4 p.m. tomorrow, right? So I think it already expired. Okay. So it was only on 18th as they have mentioned. If they update, I will make updated video for it. So this was over. Now here you can see this is the interaction session or introductory sessions where they'll be handing on workshops which will help you to complete the challenges and understand. There'll be more MCQ tracks. Okay. So once these are live, you can just know more about it. There'll be some hackathon phase, prototype phase, which will be starting from 1st of April. Okay. So this will be starting very soon and they'll be giving you problem statement on which we have to work from March 23rd. So like this, you can see, do not worry, whatever event will be live, I'll make a detailed video for it. You need to simply participate. It's a simple hackathon. Okay, you can see whatever you are learning, you have to apply for hackathon. There you have to submit the project's ideas. After that, they'll be giving you problem statement and you have to submit the problem statement. After that, you have to submit the prototype and then they'll be evaluating it. After that, there'll be graduation ceremony and after that, top 10 teams will be announced and they will be working in the final grand hackathon. Okay. So here how to watch the live sessions, you have to come to the interaction sections and here you can see these are the live session. Whatever sessions they'll be hosting, you can watch it and just understand it. And here are the challenges which will be live per cohort. So do check it out. I've shared the link in the description. Make sure to check it out. And if you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. And if you want to participate in other events like Google Cloud Arcade, you can just check the video description. I've shared multiple videos how to become a facilitator. And if you're wondering how to get these kind of hacks, you can also check the description. So thank you guys. This was the quick update I wanted to share. And have a great day ahead. Goodbye.